Everyone, in the previous videos, we studied the subject design and we studied also the activity design. In this video, inshallah, we will study the unit curriculum design. This kind of curriculum depends on special organization of the subject matter, and the method of teaching puts the learner in an integrated educational situation, arouses their interests, requires from them a different activity, and leads them to pass through certain experiences and to teach them special learning. And this results in achievement of a set of desired basic goals. Now we have to ask, what are the characteristics or the foundations of the unit curriculum design? There are different characteristics and foundations for this kind of curriculum, such as removing the barriers between the study subjects so that the principle of the unity of knowledge is achieved. Number two, integration of aspects of experience in the unit. Cognitive, affective, and psychomotor aspects are integrated. Number three, building a unit on the basis of the student's activity and positivity. Number four, the problem-solving approach is fundamental to the unit. Number five, the role of the teacher is limited to guiding the students during the experience. Number six, the unit establishes the link between school and life, and this is a very important base. Number seven, the unit is placed in the form of a general structure, then it is left to the teacher and student to put the final picture of it. This means that there is no prepared textbook before the beginning of the year. Can differentiate between two types of units. Number one, subject-based unit. The study in this type of units focuses on the main axis that is derived from the study subject itself, but it deals with an aspects of importance in the lives of the learners. So this type of unit take in consideration the society and the learners' needs and problems. And this type of units isn't restricted to the logical organization of the facts and information that is taught in the unit. It also doesn't adhere to the boundaries separating the branches of the subject or another subject, but rather it gathers information and data about the study subjects. The second type of units is experience-based unit. This type aims to make experience a main focus on, where it contains a group of activities that the student carry out and related to their needs or problems to allow them to pass through certain required experiences. To prepare a unit, we have to follow a number of steps. At the beginning, we have to study the characteristics of the learner, and this step is considered the most important step, as all the following procedures depend on this step. The second step is determining the general objectives of the unit, and this is according to a clear educational philosophy and in the light of the needs of the society and the nature of the learners. The third step is choosing the educational experiences that can achieve the objectives of the unit. Then we have to organize the educational experiences vertically. In the light of the experiences, we choose the educational aids, the teaching methods, and the activities. Then we have to determine the methods of evaluating learners, and these methods should be varied, such as observation, interviews, self-evaluation, writing reports, and so on. At the end, we have to construct and implement the unit to define the strengths and weaknesses and diagnose the problems.